Do you have a critical environment that demands protection through a clean room solution, but you don't know where to begin? Well, you've landed on the perfect resource to answer your questions. Hi, I'm Todd from Subzero Engineering, and today I'm thrilled to take you on an exclusive journey through our latest educational white paper. It discusses the 5 phases, start to finish, of what you can expect when Subzero Engineering designs and builds a simplex modular cleanroom for you. This isn't your typical documentation. We've unraveled the entire process, breaking it down into 5 key phases. To kick things off, we delve into the consulting phase. Our engineers sit down with you to clearly identify and understand your critical environment's unique needs, work processes, and goals. Think of it as a collaborative brainstorming session that sets the requirements for all the phases that follow. Now let's talk design and layout. Our engineers work their magic. We create design drawings of your clean room. And we're not just engineering a sterile environment, we're crafting a space that seamlessly integrates with your equipment and your unique workflow. Moving on to the next phase of client review, modification, and really the approval phase. This is where you get to take a closer look at the plans, share your feedback, and most importantly, provide the approval for the design. We truly believe collaboration is a fundamental aspect in ensuring that our custom modular cleanrooms perfectly address your unique needs. Now let's talk about the manufacturing phase. At our state-of-the-art 155,000 square foot facility, our skilled team meticulously builds the customized components of your cleanroom solution. Finally, we reach the installation phase. And you have options here. Our skilled site services team can manage all aspects of installation for you, or you can take charge. In any case, it's the point where your cleanroom becomes fully operational, completely equipped to meet your specific needs. But here's the best part. From the initial consultation and solution concepting to manufacturing and final installation, we're right there with you every step of the way. Subzero Engineering is committed to delivering the highest quality solutions, installation, and service. So whether you're a seasoned industry pro or just educating yourself on the options that are out there, there's something here for everyone. If you're ready to take a deeper dive into the world of cleanroom construction, download our educational white paper today. It's a treasure trove of insights detailing the intricacies of every phase. Are you ready to dive deeper into the world of cleanroom construction? It's a valuable resource offering in-depth insights into the intricacies of each phase. And if you've reached that point where you're ready to turn your cleanroom aspirations into reality, our sales team is here for you. Reach out and let's start the conversation.